Well, the quitclaim deed, what that does is it's actually quitting the claim to the property of the spouse that's leaving. So let's say you and I are getting a divorce. I'm keeping the house. So what my attorney is going to do is say, well, Dan, we need them to sign the quitclaim deed. They're quitting their claim to the property that you guys own. Okay, that's number one. So that now legally down at the title company and the vesting of the interest is going to show that I'm the only one that owns the house at this time. Okay, but the mortgage is a completely different story. The mortgage is when we took out the loan, you and I both signed on that document, and the mortgage company is going to say, well, we don't care you're getting divorced. We lent you money and we want our money back. So you need to continue to paying us whoever signed on the note. Okay, so how do we get rid of the note? How do we get rid of that person on the note? Well, you have to go through the assumption process or the refinancing process. That's how it works. So there's two pieces of this puzzle. There's the vesting, who actually owns the property based on at the state level. And then there's who is on the mortgages, and that could be a whole separate entity. So again, a quitclaim deed will change the vesting. So again, if me and you are vested in the ownership of the home, you sign a quitclaim deed, it removes you from that. Now I completely own the house based on the state and federal laws that now I own the house. However, the mortgage is a different thing. Why this is important? Well, let's say that I miss a mortgage payment. It's going to affect you. Let's say I lose my job and I go into foreclosure. Well, foreclosure is going to show up on you as well. And the bank's going to go after you because they're saying, you signed on the dotted line. We don't care you got divorced. We don't care a judge said you got divorced. We don't even care that you signed a quitclaim deed. You signed the papers that we gave you money and we want our money back. And that's how it works, folks. So after you consult your attorney, make sure that you get that quitclaim deed signed, and then also make sure that you take care of this. You check your mortgage servicer currently and see if they'll assume your loan or allow you to assume that loan. If not, please reach out to us. We would love to help you navigate this process in the process of refinancing to make sure that not only do we get that quitclaim through, we actually remove your spouse from the refinance and completely remove them from the mortgage just to make sure we got rid of them for good. So, and that's probably your intent in this process. So that's basically the fundamentals of what you need to do if you're going through a divorce and you own real estate.